I'm getting ready to go and get a haircut. And I just have an exciting day planned ahead, so I'm gonna try and vlog it. I thought it would be cool. One of my videos that has done like really good recently was one where I was doing a lot of stuff and just out and about. I know that this is something that people specifically look for. I know I used to look for it myself before I moved to London, or before I go to any specific place slash city in the world. I do tend to look for content to either get recommendations of places where I should go, or just get a feel of like the energy of the city, of how it looks and stuff, so I can start basically imagining the trip or my stay. And that's what people have been using my channel for recently, and that's honestly anything I could really... Okay, maybe there's other things that I want to give you guys, but if someone comes to my page and is enjoying the same kind of content I would be enjoying from another creator, then I feel like that is basically my goal in my social media journey, and that's what I always wanted to do. Also, I had an exam yesterday. I had a stats exam, which was really... I wouldn't say it was extremely hard, but it's not like my area of interest. So preparing for that exam, I was literally working virtually every day towards it for a month. And it almost feels like... I hate to say it, but my brain wants to be stressed about something. I don't have this to stress over, and my mental space is like trying to find other things almost, although my life is quite busy and like eventful right now. But yeah, I just wish I could take a chill pill. Alright, I'll finish getting ready on my own. This feels like the right moment to give some context to this video, because I did throw up a lot, so hence I'm just tired, and I was spending my time in bed this day. Good morning. I'm trying to attempt going to the gym. And I just realized I have uni tomorrow, and I honestly feel so burned out with school after my last exam, and I still have 2 deadlines over the course of a month, and I still technically have uni, which I just feel really demotivated to keep going. I'll have to, because I have a student visa, so I have like requirements to fulfill, and there's not a lot of room to wiggle for me. And I get like an official email from uni and everything. It's not even that big of a deal, because they know I don't have class that often. It's more just that it happens automatically, and I will still get stressed about it. So I might wear my blue set today because I haven't in a while. I have this cute shirt for it that like matches perfectly, even though they're not Not perfectly, but it matches really well, and they're technically not an actual set. Yeah, I think I'll see you later. I need to get ready. I want to show you my gym outfit because I think it's so cute. I just wish it didn't have to freeze. I want to go to a cafe and work there, most likely. My favorite cafe in the area. And yeah, I'm not that excited for my workout. My breakfast was also not amazing. Like, it wasn't warm, and I think that's making me feel even colder and just demotivated, but I know I'm gonna be fine. Okay. I'm at the park. I just finished gym, and I've been missing Poland recently. I think once my life here gets more stressful, there's been some stuff regarding the accommodation and the uni finals and stuff, and I've been missing home. I want to go back. I can't really do that now though, not yet. On this day, I had to go to a completely opposite side of the city because from what I remember, I was taking my nails off. It's really weird to see myself with the long acrylics on because I don't have anything other than a top coat on my nails right now, and they're really short. This is Marcie from the future. I kind of wanted to address me not being like uploading, and I know it's not that big of a deal because it's just not, but I just want to give context. So basically it's university finals. It is all it is. For several weeks now I've been always working towards the deadline. And if you've ever been to uni, it is like that, not the entire time, but the last leg of a semester is always really intense, and that's basically what's happening now, but it's also the last leg of the year, so that maybe makes it even more like potent. It's just there's a lot to do, there's a lot to get done, and I've been doing it, but I've been also a bit overwhelmed because it doesn't give you a lot of free time. I also got ill. I am still kind of feeling a little bit, fussy, but the past couple of days this week I'm finally feeling better, but it's been 2 weeks of me just not feeling good and just really like struggling to even, like, I couldn't leave the house, I couldn't go on the train. Yesterday is the first time in almost 3 weeks, not really, but the first time I lived by myself, because I also had my partner's birthday celebration, which was coming in like a couple of videos. So yeah, these are all the reasons that nobody really inquired about, but it's okay. So that's the disclaimer. I hope you enjoy the video. was funny.